You may have commonly seen your gradient being represented such as this, where you basically say, how does my y change with respect to my x? And this thing comes straight from this formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where the numerator represents the change between the two y values, and the denominator represents the change between two x values. Now, this is what you would see normally. This is how you would see your gradient normally in a coordinate geometry class. However, it's a little different when you're studying differentiation and calculus. Over there, instead of writing this as delta y over delta x, you now represent this as dy over dx. Now, both of these things mean the exact same thing. So this is also the gradient. What this means is, how does my y change with respect to x? And this means the exact same thing. So how does my y change with respect to x? And you may have something entirely different. Let's say you may have, how does my time, or let's say, how does my distance, or something else, how does my displacement change with respect to time? And you can, in calculus, it would just be written as ds over dt. In the same way, you can have an entirely different quantities. You can have, how does my time change with respect to x? And in calculus or in differentiation, it will just be written as dt over dx. So both of these things, and both of these things, mean the same thing, and both of these things mean the same thing. It's just that this is the notation we normally use in coordinate geometry. This d notation, these d's, are what you normally would use in a differentiation or a calculus class.